Hello and welcome everyone to my channel where I'm doing sofa flipping from my budget warehouse. Today we've had my second batch of X-Display sofas. This one here is one of them, and this one here is a two-seater and a two-seater in cream. It's a Furniture Village X-Display sofas, and all these ones all across all the way down here. This time I've actually got some really nice stuff that I'm quite proud of, to be honest. I've spent the last probably 3 to 4 hours sorting them out, testing them, making sure they work. I did give them a really nice clean. I use antibacterial, and I also use this tornado gun right here. This is really good if you guys doing X-Display sofas or you are doing secondhand sofas. It's connected to a compressor. It's called a tornado gun, and you can put your liquids inside. I've got antibacterial inside, and it sprays directly on the sofas. It gives them a really nice clean. I will document this once I get more used sofas. I'll put it down. I'll probably do a special video just for this. I've realized that this particular tool is really handy because you're not having to scrub, you're not having to, it doesn't require a lot of work. You can just simply give it a nice clean with this, and then you can wipe it down if it's leather. If it's fabric, you can also wipe it down. But yeah, I've got some really nice sofas, some G-plans here, some lazy boys, more armchairs. I've got a Razer recliner, and also I'm really proud of this corner piece that's coming. That's to match that sofa over there, and it makes a full corner sofa. Otherwise I'll be selling that one over there as a four-seater, which I don't want to. I prefer to sell it as a corner sofa. It makes more sense, and people tend to want corner sofas rather than four-seaters. Also, the last batch that I had, I've pictured it. I have advertised them yesterday online, and this sofa here, it's a corner sofa by Furniture Village Contempo. Someone has messaged me and they have left a deposit, so that one is sold. So I'll be delivering that in the next few days. But yeah, guys, it is simple. It's not rocket science. It's not very difficult. It is hard work. You need dedication, you do need hard work, and you also need a lot of patience, because it does require patience to do this. Sometimes some of the stock that you have, it doesn't sell as fast as you want it to sell, but you have to be patient, you have to be optimistic, and carry on, get more sofas. Look into different methods of doing it. You're selling, the pictures that you're taking, improve on that, the communication as well. And even sometimes, you know what I've realized? Offering free delivery. When they ask you, just say, look, I'll do free delivery just for the sake of helping the sale. I've realized that's a method that does work. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that my videos motivate you. And from my side, I'm going to do my absolute best to share my methods. What do I do and how do I do it? So guys, this is a new channel. If there's anything that you guys want me to talk about, any inquiries, things that you would like me to elaborate on, please drop it in the comments. I'm going to read as much as possible and get your inquiries into my future videos to help you guys learn from my experience in doing sofa flipping. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.